Well, my name's Dawn, and I'm from Oslo Medical Billing Tools. And I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the We Care for Patients primary care pitch challenge that we're having on October 7th during Edmonton Startup Week this year. And it's hosted by myself, Oslo Medical Billing Tools, in collaboration with the Center for Advanced Medical Simulation at NATE. And I would also like to throw a shout out to two of our wonderful community sponsors who came on board, HealthQuest and the Crave Beauty and Wellness Lab in Spruce Grove. So I'm going to dive right into it here. For years in primary care, we've been quietly innovating through quality improvement. We've been testing, adjusting workflows, and evolving how the behind the scenes care and all the aspects of it has been delivered. And that's been innovation. We've been innovating before, innovation was the cool new term. And now it's time for us to flip the script on who gets to lead. So what the challenge is for this pitch competition is it is applicable, and we'll go into who it's applicable or who can apply here in a moment. But the main challenge question is, what is one part of your job or your team's routine that you would radically redesign to improve patient access and staff well-being? Now, who can apply? Well, that's open to just about anybody that's linked to primary care. Whether you're working right in the primary care sector as any one of the valuable team members, from a physician to a nurse practitioner to referral coordinators, LPNs, RNs, the medical office assistants, the clinical managers, the list goes on and on. It is also applicable to healthcare students. You don't necessarily need to be working right in the primary care industry. You could be a healthcare student as well, or anybody that is on the front lines of primary care, or that has an idea that is applicable to solving the problem question for primary care. So it's pretty much open to anybody that just wants, throw it in there to see what they can do to help increase access and staff morale. Now, how it works is each team can consist of 1 to 5 members per team. And all you need to do is answer the challenge question by presenting your solution and idea in a team video up to a maximum of 4-minute limit. Now, how do you access that application form? Well, directly here on the pitch promotion website, there is multiple links for you to submit your pitch. That will take you directly to this other page that you see here, where you would basically enter in your team's name, the number of team members, fill out the corresponding information for each team member, including their name, their email, as well as you would submit then a link to your 4-minute video explaining your solution idea problem. Now, we did have the extension. We did just announce, I'm very happy to say, an extension for our application deadline. You now have until September 10th at 11:59 p.m. to get those applications in. Now, what happens after your application gets in? Well, out of all the applications we receive, we on September 16th will be announcing the top 8 teams. Now, out of those top 8 teams, we will be doing a virtual meet and greet on September 18th. Well, they will be paired with a business and a healthcare coach that will help them prepare for the big day. And in addition to that, on September 27th, we are offering a full day pitch prep boot camp, where those top 8 teams are going to have the availability to walk through the mission model canvas, a little bit about customer interviews, and how to prepare for their pitch for the big night on October 7th. Now, on October 7th, we will be hosting the event from 4:30 to 8:30 p.m. At the Dow Theater on campus at NATE in collaboration with CAMPS. But between 4:30 till 6:30 will be a bit of a networking reception where you'll get a chance to meet each of the top 8 teams. And then between 6:30 and 8:30 is when we'll be hosting the pitch competition live from the Dow Theater and announcing the winners. Now, how can you apply? You can go to our website at cmgpcalculator.ca/pitch-competition. And as a side note, we aren't doing this just for fun. We are rounding up $10,000 in prizes to give to the top 3 that pitch on October 7th. So there is great value in pitching your idea, because you just might be able to win a little bit of cash for your pockets. Now, what I'll do is I'll turn it over to the floor. If anybody has any questions, comments, anything they'd like to ask,